won't let go.
Today we're going to be looking at the PNY micro SD cards that Wish are selling. This one's just come in today, so it comes with the SD adapter, micro SD, one that you can plug into your USB, which works, and the 512 card. Now with these, this is the original advert which I purchased it from. So price wise, they start from £1.66, and that supposedly is a 128 megabyte iris. Yeah, okay. But then if you go for something like the 512 gigabyte, it's saying £6. But obviously with a lot of these, they don't really have that memory on them. They say 512, but in reality they might even be a 512 megabytes. So what we've done is we've downloaded a software which we can test to make sure that what it is saying on there is correct. In order to test to make sure that this is a genuine 512 gigabytes, or at least close to that, you need to download this software from this it's just Softpedia, and what you need to get is HS2 or H2 test W. You can change it from Dutch to English. And then when you've selected your card that you want to test, you click OK. So it says all available, 511.98 megabytes. So now we're going to test it. So obviously that's what it's saying is a 512, but is it actually 512? It's going to test every single one to make sure that what it's saying is correct, and if it's not, then I can show you how to process now of going through it. And it's found loads and loads of errors, but it's still saying that it's 14.6 gigabytes. So out of a 512 byte, it's only 14.6. So even though they were only £10 posted, it's still not a good deal, because you can pick up 64 gigabytes for about £10.